What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making Copycat Cafe Rio.
Alright you guys, so to get started on our sweet pork, we are going to put the meat in. We just grabbed some carnitas meat. You can also use a pork shoulder or whatever kind of cut of pork you want, but this is what we are going to use today. So we're just going to throw this here in the crock pot. And then we are going to add a cup of brown sugar, stuck in there. We are going to use half of this can of enchilada sauce. If you're using like a whole pork shoulder or making a lot, you probably want to use the whole can, but we have another recipe that we need that for. We're gonna add a good healthy tablespoon of garlic. And then we are going to add a cup and a half of Coke. You can also use Dr. Pepper or root beer. It's basically just to get some more of that sweet flavor. Oh, that was 2 cups. Oh well, we're doing 2 cups actually. And then we are going to do a packet of crushed red pepper. If you want, you could also use like green chilies or jalapeno, but this is what we have on hand. And then of course a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we are just going to put the lid on and cook that on high for a couple hours. All right guys, we are going to start our Tomatillo ranch. So we are going to start with some mayo. We're gonna do about half of a cup. Also, side note, we got paid to buy mayo the other day. If you guys don't have the Ibotta app, you should download it. I'll link it down below. But we got paid like $7, so that's sweet. We are also going to add about a half a cup of sour cream. I don't think we even have that much left, but I'm just gonna use the rest of this. We are going to add a whole tomatillo, about 1/3 of a jalapeno. You can add more if you like your sauces spicy. We are going to add about half of a bunch of cilantro, a couple tablespoons of lime juice, our buttermilk here. We are going to add about half a cup of that. And a tablespoon of garlic. And then we are going to add a couple tablespoons of ranch seasoning. And then we're just going to get that all in there, put the lid on, and then blend it together. Okay, watch out, dude. Alright you guys, so it's been about 3 hours and we just shredded all of that pork. We're putting it back in here and then we are going to serve it up and eat it.